Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. If you're here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently reside out here in the US of A. Uh, okay, how are you guys doing? If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Okay, so here we go. I have a special brother that I want to share with you guys today. This guy's from Botswana, and if you're gonna stick around for a bit on this channel, okay, you will be able to see him doing some reaction and stuff, maybe telling you how he's doing this music and stuff. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get to it. Atkins, and the name of the song is Weekend. I've been trying to avoid watching this video because I wanted to react to it. So yeah, here we are. Let's get to it. Did I say if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. It's Botswana in the building. Dumelang Kochaye, and how are you guys doing? If you're not from Botswana, I'll try. I'll see if there's anything that this translation on this. Definitely the fashion, I will tell you a little story about it.
Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, really? Weekend is in our zero some more. Oh, really? Bafana bageze mbapere botese. Oh, really? Kinzikili tire bana overile stoko zena suvela na kipopile. Oh, really? Mona zenzenze wani. I wanna savana na kisweze homoni. Kana jise blekas na kise wekisi. Mona can't believe it, I just made it kisa tunza squid. Kisa se kweza. Mona zenzenze wani. I wanna savana na kisweze homoni. Kana jise blekas na kise wekisi. Mona can't believe it, I just made it kisa tunza squid. Kisa se kweza.
Yo, okay. Let me get to this before I forget. Okay, so it used to be that back in the day, if you see somebody wearing this kind of clothes, if somebody's going out with this kind of fashion, it's like, you know, stay away. That's against that. And and I mean, it wasn't all about that. Like, people just wanted to dress like this. I don't know if you guys remember the Kwaito era. This is like was the first African hip hop style of clothing, fashion. So I don't know why it got a bad rap, but in Botswana they have decided to, you know what, we're gonna you know, bring light to this. And nowadays these guys who are dressing like this is like a whole club, and they go around the country spreading positivity and, like, you know, all those crime stuff, standing against crime, and it's just a beautiful thing. So, like, yeah, back then I would have said if you see somebody wearing this clothes, run. But, you know, this time around, stick around, okay? And yeah, I'm definitely loving this music because it's like the music that you can dance, but also you just kind of relaxing type of music. It's mellow. I don't know what genre is this. It's just like beautiful stuff, and the voice is just, you know, there's levels to this. Not any artist can pull this out. I feel like, you know, you gotta be really good to pull this off because, yeah, it's beautiful.
Dumela mwana be mpieno akiyo baba sinaza kibo mwana achilo akiwiza alimpwiza oh akiwiza alimpwiza oh mazibongile dumela mwana be mpieno akiyo baba sinaza kibo mwana achilo akiwiza alimpwiza.
Yo, basically, okay, for those of you who do not understand TSWANA, I'm gonna try to translate this for you guys so you understand. But I feel like, yo, yeah, you should be getting this, man. So, translation. He's basically saying, I got a lot of money, and I'm not going to be socializing with you guys who are broke, the brokies. Yeah, he's like, I'm not at home. You see me, but I'm not here, and I'm not talking to anybody. So
Mona
yeah.
zen warning. How on a savannah nagizo za omoni. Cannot see blackers nageze we kisiji. Nageze we kisiji. Weekend is an hour zero somo. Really. Bafana by yes and bapere botese. Really. Kinzigili tire vanna ofedire. Stogos and azura ganna che popile. Really. Mona zen warning. I wanna savannah nagizo za omoni. Cannot see blackers nageze we kisiji. Mona can't believe it, I just made it, cause I don't just quit. This is a quit. Mona zen warning. I wanna savannah nagizo za omoni. Cannot see blackers nageze we kisiji. Mona can't believe it, I just made it, cause I don't just quit. This is a quit. And it'll never be so como ra go balance spirit.
Hey. This is pretty cool, man. I'm trying to figure out where this video was shot. I wonder if it was shot in a town called Lobatse. Alright. Yeah, you see Tay Green coming up. So yes, that's basically that. Atkins music, please go check it out. Go check out his YouTube page. Definitely the artist to look out for. Got so many other songs, and I'm definitely gonna be reacting to more of his music, obviously, because I have 2026, man. I'm gonna be partnering with him, so you definitely gonna see him right here, not wearing his musician gear, obviously. And yeah, you get to know him in person. It's pretty cool dude, man. So thank you so much for watching this. If you're watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And please go check out Atkins music and watch more of his music. And if you don't, I am going to be reacting to more of his music on this channel. So yeah, either way, be warned, okay? So be warned, because you're gonna you're gonna see his music, you're gonna see his videos, you're gonna see him obviously on this channel. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us. I'll see you guys on the other side.